never let go.
Channel, this is Saving with Miss V, and in this video we're gonna do some inspired Ray Dunn dishes. So this is one plate that I've already done, and this is interesting because I won these Ray Dunn napkins from Pam over at Creative Homescaping, and what I did is just cut the word grateful out and decorated me some dishes. So I went ahead and did the plate because you've seen me do a plate before, and I also want to do a soup mug. Since it's fall season, we're gonna be eating our comfort food. I decided to do a soup mug, and I said this would be a great Christmas gift for someone. So what I've done is I've already cut the sign out. I've already cut the message off. And here it is, grateful. So I'm gonna use a cosmetic sponge when I'm doing small projects like this. I don't like to use my brushes, and some Mod Podge. And last time I did this, one of my beautiful subscribers told me to wrap some saran wrap in a ball to get the wrinkles out of the design, and it worked. Look at that. So we're gonna do that here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my Mod Podge on here. And so I want to thank Pam again for these Ray Dunn napkins. I didn't even know they had napkins. I wasn't even familiar with Ray Dunn until I started watching YouTube. So evidently it's very popular. So I said this would be a great little video to do for someone. Get you some, or you can still do it like everybody else do. Just write the words with a marker. But I thought that was great that I actually had some Ray Dunn napkins. So I guess you would still say this is Ray Dunn dishes inspired because these are not real Ray Dunn dishes. Just the napkins were real. So separate it. Oh, I had 3 layers. I should have known. Separate it up under that little lip. That's what it's looking like now. You can see all those wrinkles. So I'm going to go ahead and put some Mod Podge on top. And you know, when you put it on top, you dab it on, because if you drag it, you'll tear the napkin. Okay, and they didn't say when to do the saran wrap, so I just did it while it was still wet. So you can drag this and it smooths everything out. This is a good little tip. I'm gonna find that comment and thank that person. See it? Alright, I'm going to do this and I'll be back. Product, I'm trying to give you a close-up. Show you that you can't even really tell. If you didn't see me do it, you would think that that was written on there. So that one got a little texture. Still got a little texture, but that's okay. But you get the idea. There you go. They're cute. So this is it. This is gonna conclude this video. So this is Miss Saving with Miss V. I'm gonna continue to help you save on some of the things you need, so you can get some of the things you want. Let me know in the comment section if you are a fan of the Ray Dunn line of dishes. I really like them, to be honest, because it's black and white. That's the only reason why I'm interested in it. I just fell in love with black and white. But anyway, let me know in the comment section. And if you are, do you own any real Rae Dunn, or did you do a Rae Dunn dupe like Miss V? Thank you, and have a nice day.